Hi, I'm Katie. I'm at Bromford Industries at the moment doing an Apprentice Machinist course. So I actually struggled to get onto an apprenticeship to start with. I spent about 5 months or so looking online and applying for various things and had quite a few rejections. So I got to the point where I started exploring the training centres and literally walked in off the street. And within like 3 days, Sue Fisher had managed to sort me out interviews and actually managed to sort me out the job with Bromford. So we do sort of a mixture of theory and practical work. So far on the practical side of things, we've looked into CAD, doing the CAD work with the computers, and then we're on the fitting section at the moment. So literally turning pieces of metal into components, using like the hacksaws and the files and everything, and actually learning how to operate the milling machines as well, which is really good. And then on the theory side of things, what have we looked at? Business and technology. We've done materials principles and heat treatment processes and things like that. Well, I wanted to be an engineer when I was very, very little, and unfortunately didn't really get the opportunities to explore it when I was at school. But we've got a lot of engineers in the family, so it's in my blood, and I've always enjoyed working with my hands and stuff. So I did a degree in something completely unrelated, came out of it and thought, God, what do I do? What do I do with my life? Do you know what? I'm going to give engineering a go. I may as well try it. So I did a few little trial shifts in warehouses and things like that in the factories. Found I really enjoyed it and thought, right, I need to get myself some qualifications in this and actually get somewhere. And that's where obviously the inspiration for doing an apprenticeship came along. So I think definitely, because obviously once you're on the apprenticeship it is quite full on, and it is, it's a commitment really. So I wanted to give it a go just to see if it was the right environment for me as well. As you said, like being a girl, it is a very different environment. But I've always gone better with guys than girls anyway, so it's sort of perfect for me. But no, everybody's been really accommodating. There's a lot of support offered, and it's just such an interesting industry. Like everything's changing all the time, so you can never really get bored with it, which is good. Well, I think I'm going to carry on doing more qualifications in it. So I think after this, I'll move on and do my level 4, and then obviously go on and do more things with that. But I'm sort of looking into going into a mixture of CAD and machining. So trying to find a job where you have like that perfect mix of both, because I quite like the programming side of things as well.